Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I want to share something with you that I noticed that a lot of the most successful millionaires and billionaires always say, right? Now, especially Gary Vee, I seen him say this. I seen Stormy Wellington say this, and I even seen Grant Cardone say this, right? They all say it differently, but they're saying the same thing. And they all say, I don't care what it takes, I'm gonna make sure everybody knows who I am, right? Think about that for a second. They're gonna make sure. They don't care where you from. They don't care you black, you white, you tall, you short, you rich, you poor. Their mission is to make sure you know who they are. You know their name, right? Now, this is important to me because especially with doing, online marketing, affiliate marketing, network marketing, even promoting your own product. If you go in thinking like, I got my own demographic, who I'm selling to, or my own, target market. But if your mindset is like, I don't care, I'm going to make sure everybody knows who I am. That's going to make your job a lot easier. That's going to make you motivated to produce more content, to be on more platforms, and to be more consistent in whatever it is you're promoting. Because I take that approach. Like when I heard Grant Cardone say something. Well, somebody said that they heard Grant Cardone say something to the effect of, my job is not to be liked, it's to be known, right? Like think about that. My job is not to be liked, right? It's to be known. And that is powerful when you think about it, especially when it comes to like online marketing, affiliate marketing and stuff like that, because it's all about getting traffic, right? It's all about getting eyeballs to whatever it is you have to offer. And when you look at it like that, it just changes everything, right? Stormy Wellington, she's a big time network marketer, make millions of dollars a month from network marketing. And I just seen an interview she did where she was like, I don't care, you're gonna know who I am. Whether you buy something from me, you're gonna know my name, right? You're gonna have heard about me. Gary Vee, I mean, you probably know who Gary Vee is. He's that too. Like, he's just like, I wanna be everywhere. I want people to know who I am. And so if you're just getting started with making money online, or you struggling, or you kind of like, hesitant or whatever, have the mentality to be like, I'm going to be known, right? Because if you get enough eyeballs, the customers are going to follow, right? If you get enough attention, things is going to start coming into place, because people are going to have no choice but to take a look at what you got to offer. And there's going to be that percentage of people that actually want what you have to offer, right? And going back real quick to what Grant Cardone said, which you should also really think about whenever you feel like you're struggling, or you're dealing with hate, or people doubting you, or whatever. Grant said, paraphrasing, you know what I'm saying? He was like, my job is not to be liked, it's to be known. So keep that in mind. Everybody is not going to like you. Don't get that confused with being known and then being like, well, I want everybody to like me. That ain't gonna happen. So don't think I want everybody to like me. You want everybody to know who the hell you is, right? So just realize people are gonna hate, people gonna knock you, so what? They're gonna do that anyway. The job is to be known. Make sure everybody knows who you are in this whole online game, in this whole business game, all right? And I strongly believe that success will follow, because I'm living it. I'm making it happen. That's why I'm being consistent with content. So whatever your style is, whether it be YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, Pinterest, make sure everybody knows who you are on them platforms. All right. So you can use this mindset to help promote whatever it is that you're promoting. All right. But if you're not currently promoting anything right now, and you are looking for an online business opportunity, you definitely need to check out this video right here.